This is the second lesson in the addition tables using the colored bead bars. And for this lesson, the child will have already had lots of practice with random combinations with the larger squares. And so now I have a paper that has the tables pre-written on them. This is table 3, but there are also papers for table 1, 2, 4, and so on. And these can be loose or they can be stapled into a little booklet. But for the introduction, you should just start with 1. So the child is already familiar with using the bead boxes to add. So we have 3 plus 1, 3, 4. And the answer is written here. Okay. 3 plus 2. 3, 4, 5. Now the child might realize right away that they don't have to put the 3 bar back. The less that you tell the child, the better, because when they make little discoveries like that, it can actually be really exciting because they've figured out little shortcuts. Okay? 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And the child will just continue on. Now, when they're done with this table, they might want to try another one. And again, it doesn't need to be done in any particular order. Okay, and that is the lesson for the addition tables.